In the heart of bustling Birmingham city centre, where the city's history intertwines with modern student life, there stands Kensington House, a sanctuary for those seeking not just accommodation, but a vibrant community to mingle with. Located on Suffolk Street Queensway, Kensington House offers a selection of state-of-the-art studios and one-bed apartments. All the rooms here come fully furnished with comfy bed, spacious wardrobe, dedicated study area with super-fast Wi-Fi, dining zones, and a fully fitted kitchen. But that's not all. Living at Kensington House means you'll have access to fantastic property facilities, including an on-site gym, access to numerous study spaces, an incredible games area, and your very own cinema room. Talking about location, Kensington House is also close to universities such as Ulster University, College Birmingham, and BPP University, making it feasible for students to commute to and from university with ease. When weekends hit, dive into Birmingham's culinary delights. Indulge in Korean flavors at Tteokbokki or discover hidden gems like Mingmu Buffet and Karaoke, Turtle Bay Birmingham, and Bonehead. For everyday essentials, Birmingham Indoor Market, Bullring Open Market, and Tesco Express are within easy reach. Plus, with various transportation options close by, you'll save both time and money while exploring the unparalleled charm of Birmingham. So, what are you waiting for? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your perfect stay at Kensington House and begin your unforgettable Birmingham story today.